So today we're going to check out two knives. We're going to check out one knife that's been sharpened properly and another knife that has not. One that has an improperly sharpened edge bevel, and that's what we're going to look at first under the microscope. So if you look at this, this is not what you want to see. So what we see here is that they did start, whoever sharpened it, started setting the bevel, and the scratches started going down to the apex, but they never made it. So this is the new scratches, whoever tried to sharpen it, but this is not hit. So the scratches stop before they ever hit the apex. So basically all this section, which is the cutting edge, this is the sharp part, it has an old wore out edge on it. So when it was resharpened, it was not sharpened properly. The scratches were never allowed to run down to the apex, and they're not running consistently. If I scoot it up here, you can even see they're running different directions. You got some running at an angle and some running straight up and down. You want them to be very consistent. Now let's look at an edge I sharpened. This is a properly sharpened edge. So if you look at this edge bevel, you can clearly see the scratches are very consistent. They run at the same angle, and you can see they go from the top of the bevel at an angle down to the apex, making a little microscopic saw blade at the, at the apex. And that is a properly sharpened edge bevel. This is an edge bevel that's going to last you a long time. This is a bevel that not only will be very, very sharp, but it's also going to have stability. It's going to hold its sharpness for a long time. And in the future, when you're ready to hone and strop it, it'll be easier to hone and strop, and the edge will come back better. This is just a crude drawing, but you can see the edge bevel. This would be the apex, and you can see the scratches starting at the top of the bevel, which, is, the shiny part you see, right? The top of the bevel would be the top of the shiny part. The apex would be the part that cuts you. So the teeth are running at an angle, equaling and making little tiny teeth. But you see, you want them consistently. You don't want some larger than others, some broken off, bigger gaps. You don't want all that. You want them nice and consistent as much as possible. Now, when you don't do that and it's not running consistently, that's when it goes dull very fast, and it's going to be a lot harder for you to maintain and get resharpened or to maintain its level of sharpness over time. So basically, the edge is going to be crap and it's going to go dull really fast, and you're not going to be able to bring it back unless if you do a whole new full sharpening. You want to be able to hone and strop your edge back multiple times in between full sharpenings.